Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Discord screen sharing no audio. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the bottom left of Discord and press User Settings. Scroll down on the left and select Voice and Video. Then click on Voice at the top and make sure the correct output device is selected so sound comes through. Next, go into Video Settings and scroll down to find and turn on the option to use advanced technology for screen capture. If it's already on, try turning it off or on to see if that fixes the issue. Then, join a call and press the Share Your Screen button. Choose a specific application. Press the arrow to the right and make sure Share Stream Audio is selected. If you're watching someone else's screen share and the audio isn't working, check the stream volume bar and ensure it's turned up and not muted. So that's basically how you can fix Discord screen sharing no audio. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.